Good afternoon. Around the house with Kay and Tom. Well, it's Easter. I've got to have something sweet in this house for Easter in case I have company. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix some apple pie muffins. And I think I'm going to use the oven today, the big oven. So I've got it, the temperature set for 350. You need a box of yellow cake mix, 3 eggs, a can of apple pie filling, 2 teaspoonsful of apple pie spice, and we're going to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on it. So we're going to get started right quick, and we're going to have muffins. First off, I'm going to put the 3 eggs in here. Just get them stirred up just a little bit. Yellow cake mix. And a can of apple pie filling. Good thing about this recipe, you just mix everything together. You don't have to have a separate bowl for this or a separate bowl for that. Just mix it all together. And we're going to use 2 teaspoonsful of apple pie spice. Stir that up a little bit, and then I'm going to take my mixer and we're just going to mix it on low and just get it mixed real good together. But if you don't stir it a little bit before you get started, you're going to have a mess. Want to get all the loose mix that you can. Sort of blend it in a little bit. Mix real good, smooth. And it cut the apples up in hunks, which is good. Now we're just going to take a muffin pan and we're going to put okay, I have yellow, white, and pink liners in my pan. I have everything all mixed up. I think it works better with just a spoon like that than trying to do it with a scoop. So I have 12 muffins. I'm going to put in the oven at 350 and we're going to cook them for 25 minutes until you stick a toothpick in them and they come out clean. I have some left over, so I'm going to either have 12 more muffins or I may make some bigger muffins. So let's get these in the stove and get them started. We're going to set our timer for 25 minutes, and I think while that's cooking, I've got just a little bit left over, so when they get done, I'll fix me just another pan full because I don't really have a lot left, but it's more than I would want to throw out. Okay, I took what I had left in the bowl and I put it in some mini muffins, and I wound up with 16 mini muffins. So what I'm going to do is we're going to cook these, and we'll see which one we like better, the bigger ones or the mini ones. I'm going to put them in the oven with the others and just reset another timer for 25 minutes. Now put the mini ones in there. So we're going to set this for 25 minutes, and we'll look at them when they get done, and we have 13 more minutes to cook the larger ones. Okay, my timer just went off. Now let's get us a toothpick and let's just see if they're done. I do believe they are. Okay, what we're going to do now, we're just going to take ground cinnamon. Just sprinkle it over the top just a little bit. Not much. Woo, I think I got just about too much on that one. Get some of that off of that one. And I'm going to cut into one just to see what it's like. Definitely needs to be cooled. There is the muffin cut into. You can see the apple. Let's see what it tastes like. I do not have any vanilla ice cream. If I did, that would be extra good on top of this. Apple pie muffin, nothing to it. A box of yellow cake mix, 3 eggs, a can of apple pie filling, mix it together, 2 teaspoons full of apple pie spice, cook it for 25-30 minutes, and sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on top, and you now have dessert. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Well, offer me your comments and join my channel, and I'll show you the little ones in just a moment. Okay, the mini ones are now done. They look good too. We'll just sprinkle just a little of the cinnamon on top of them, not much. And of course we've got to try one of these too. Woo. Well, for some reason that's stuck in the bottom of the thing. Maybe it's because it's just so hot. I'll let them cool before I do another one. So I have big ones and little ones. Around the House with Kay and Tom. Have a good day. Here's the little ones. And the big ones.